Okay, so now again the guidance for today. Two of my cards which I really love, my Lenormand and my Illuminati. So the first card is the Lenormand and the next one is the Illuminati. So just close your eyes and ask the guidance from the divine as to which is the card for you. So let's flip this beautiful Lenormand. That's a pretty card and a beautiful card. It's more like tree or the tree of life or whatever you call it as. And this card basically is where it shows a sign of, if you have started something in the near future, it's going to be a real strong foundation. If you're starting today, then it's going to be a real strong foundation for you. Today is a day of good health. It's everything is there. This basically depicts the tree of life, basically a symbol where everything is good, everything is grounded. You just need to heal yourself, you just need to nurture yourself. Sometimes we all feel that we have everything. If you see, when I'm seeing this card today, I can only see the rainbow colors. So I feel you need to heal your inner self in terms of finances, in terms of relationship, in terms of career. Just when I say heal yourself, it doesn't mean there's something to worry. When I say heal yourself, it just means nurture yourself, accept the surroundings and love the surroundings. In turn, the surroundings will love you. But overall, a beautiful day, because I also see this beautiful fruits, orange fruits. So I see a lot of abundance also coming your way. Now let's come to the card 2. Oh, this is another beautiful card, 9 of Cups. I always see this card in any of the decks, and then I feel as if it's a happy man, my Buddha man sitting there happily content. So today you will feel a day of content, a day of joy, that as if the whatever you were planning, all has happened as per your plans. Whatever you were wishing, everything has happened as per your desire, and you're very happy that you have at last successfully accomplished what you need. So the day is yours. All of you have a blessed and a beautiful day ahead. Thank you.